I will first accept the cookies to clear the UI. Then I will start with a popular movie like Inception to establish a baseline for the target medium, year, and rating. This will provide the first set of feedback arrows and color codes to narrow down the search. Type card is green for Inception movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is a movie released after 2010. Year 2010 is yellow with an up arrow, so within 2 years, 2011 or 2012. The MDB rating is lower than 8.8. Rating 8.8 is yellow with a down arrow, so 8.3 to 8.7. Leonardo DiCaprio is in the target movie. Genres action, adventure, and sci-fi do not overlap. Type card is green for Inception. Target medium equals movie. The target is a movie from 2011 or 2012. Yellow 2010 with up arrow with a rating between 8.3 and 8.7. Yellow 8.8 with down arrow. Leonardo DiCaprio is a confirmed actor. Django Unchained 2012 fits these criteria perfectly. 8.5 rating, 2012 release, stars DiCaprio. I nailed it. I guessed Django Unchained in just 2 tries. The key was seeing Leonardo DiCaprio as a matching actor from my first guess, combined with a 2012 release year and high MDB rating.